Well, hello, what is up? Good morning. We are about 2.5 hours from Yellowstone, so we're gonna start heading that way now. That should get us to Yellowstone right around 11 a.m., giving us plenty of time to explore. Welcome to the entrance of Yellowstone National Park.
Still working on your defense. By now you think it's all over, cause you worry too much and you don't know what you fight against. And if you want my opinion, I'll let it take me away. Only relief is the four on the floor and the crowd that goes, oh, turn it up. 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 Now don't you worry, not a single bit. It's like a voice in my head, and now it's time to reveal it. It's a floor killer beat, and we dance like we're back from the dead. And if you want my opinion, I'll let it take me away. Only relief is the four on the floor and the crowd that goes, oh.
We are still driving here through Yellowstone, absolutely enjoying the views. Old Faithful is about 15 minutes up that way, so we're going to continue our way along here. Very slowly turning into snow. Trying to be in Washington tomorrow. I'll be around where I need to be crashing tonight around 8:30. Probably hang out for a couple of hours, sleep till 7 or so in the morning, drive to Pullman, Washington, spend the day in Pullman, and then off to Seattle. And that will conclude our road trip, guys. This has been fun. This has been a good time. I'm glad you guys got to come along with me. What is up? It is like 4:30. It was getting cold in the car. I just turned on the car for a little bit, get everything warmed back up. I'm gonna rest for a couple more hours. I'll see you guys then.